Hello everyone, today I'm going to do example 8 from section 8-3. The heights and feet of 36 randomly selected top-rated roller coasters are listed. Assume the population standard deviation is 71.6 feet. At alpha equals 0.10, is there enough evidence to reject the claim that the mean height of the top-rated roller coasters is at most 160 feet? So this one we're testing a mean about a claim. So that's going to be a Z or T test. This will be a Z test because n is bigger than 30. We randomly selected, and the population standard deviation is 71.6 feet. That's how we know got a Z test. Now our hypotheses, well, the claim is that the mean height is at most 160. That's the claim, at most. At most means less than or equal to. So that's going to be our null hypothesis, but we're just going to write equal to instead of less than or equal to. That's our claim. And then, since our alternative hypothesis has to be the opposite of at most, the opposite of at most is greater than. There's our hypotheses. This will be a right-tailed test. And the area will be 0.10. Now we're ready to calculate the test statistic. Before you can calculate the test statistic, you do have to type this into list 1 on your calculator. So if you haven't done that already, pause the video and take some time to do it now. Otherwise, we can run the one sample z-test on this calculator. It does need to know what sigma is still. Because we're only giving a sample, it can't calculate what sigma is based off the sample. So sigma will be 71.6. If it asks for a frequency list, make sure that you put 1 or leave it blank. Now I'm getting a test statistic of 0.38 or 0.39 positive. P-value of 0.3496. And then I do want you to write down what it calculated for X bar and S, just so I can correct your work more fully. So X bar is 164.61, S 67.08. Oh, N as well. N was 36. I'm just going to use the p-value method again. So since the p-value is greater than alpha again, we fail to reject the null. Thus, there is not sufficient evidence to reject the claim. That the mean height of top-rated roller coasters is at most 160 feet. And that is it for example 8.